Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch this Prismy Seahorse in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to hunt for this cute colorful creature in the ocean, the Prismy Seahorse is here, but it's one of the trickiest catches in the game, and I'm going to show you the exact location where I got the fish and also the bait you need to add to this beauty to your collection. So as for your the location, you need to go to the Kohana Islands to get the fish, and you can just find your favorites fishing spot. But as for me, I got the fish, the seahorse were in here. This is the exact location where I fished before to get the seahorse, and I'm using the element rods with singularity bait. So guys, just try your luck to catch the seahorse. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.